Prior to uploading your data and generating a customized report, you will need to know the answer to these 3 questions. What is your selection approach? Have you already selected the candidates, and who will be your referent group? In the next couple of slides, we will review the first question, which is what is your selection approach? And as you can see, we have 3 options to choose from: single, compensatory, and multiple hurdle. A single assessment approach is a straightforward approach where one assessment or selection method is used. This approach is often used when the job has a clear, definitive criterion for success or additional assessments are unnecessary or impractical. Quite a few fire departments use this approach for their promotional exam process. They will often administer a job knowledge written exam to members who are interested in promoting to the next rank. The candidate's ability to be promoted is entirely based on their grade they receive for this single assessment. A compensatory selection system takes a more holistic approach, combining scores from multiple assessments into an overall score. Strong performance in one area can offset a lower score in another. As illustrated in the slide, 3 separate assessments contribute to the overall score, each assigned a designated weight. Notably, Assessment 2 carries a higher weight, meaning poor performance in this area could significantly impact the overall outcome. A multi-hurdle selection battery is a step-by-step process where candidates must pass each stage before moving forward. If they fail at any stage, they are removed from consideration. As illustrated in the slide, 15 individuals participated in Hurdle 1, but unfortunately, only 4 passed. Those 4 individuals are now allowed to move forward in the process and participate in Hurdle 2. So as you can see, each stage is a separate hurdle. Failing any step disqualifies the candidate from continuing. Now to our second question, have you already selected the candidates? When defining the criteria, it's important to distinguish whether this data was collected pre-selection or post-selection. Let's break down the key differences. Post-selection refers to candidates who have moved beyond eligibility and are officially selected. At this stage, action has been taken, whether it's hiring, promotion, or reduction in force. Pre-selection refers to the stage where candidates have been assessed, scored, and ranked, but no actual employment action has been carried out. Now to our final question, who will be your referent group? When selecting a referent group, you are choosing the baseline group against which other groups will be compared to in your analysis. Here are the 3 options TalentTrack Solutions software has to offer. Traditional referent group. This group includes white, male, and under 40 candidates. This option is set to default based on historical data. Highest selection ratio. The group with the highest selection rate is used as the benchmark, ensuring comparisons are based on the most successful group in the selection process. Custom referent group allows you to manually select the referent group based on your specific needs or organizational policies.